show in San Francisco, so I'm gonna take you along with me as I vlog the event. So we just got inside the specialty food show. Okay, I'm like really overwhelmed right now because there's so many brands here. I don't even know where to start. This place has so many samples. Okay, I have not even gone through a quarter of this place and I am stuffed with samples. This is green apple kale sorbet. Oh my god, that's really good. I'm starting to get a little lost. I've been stuck in the cheese section for far too long. I'm gonna try to hit up this other section of the exhibit hall to Okay, so I just left Incubator Village. This is like trick-or-treating for adults. I'm just gonna go get more samples. Everything you just saw was just from the south building. I'm gonna head over to the north building, but this is freaking huge. Here we go, the second building. Okay, so I'm about to get my Uber to leave. Shout out to Vegan Robs for the extra bag.